A survey firm must make phone calls to 136 people. To make the 136 long-distance calls, how many buttons must be pressed? A. 1,360. B. 800. C. 1,600. D. 1,300. One liter contains how many milliliters? A. 300. B. 1,000. C. 2,000. D. 10. Each pound has 453.59 grams. 6,577 grams is the weight of a baby. In pounds and ounces, how much does the baby weigh? A. 17 pounds 8 ounces. B. 14 pounds 8 ounces. C. 12 pounds 5 ounces. D. 35 pounds 8 ounces. The waist circumference of a man is 88.9 centimeters. What is his waist measurement in inches? A. 45 inches. B. 35 inches. C. 25 inches. D. 25.5 inches. In Celsius, what is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit? A. 37 degrees Celsius. B. 119 degrees Celsius. C. 86.70 degrees Celsius. D. 70.50 degrees Celsius. A meter is made up of how many centimeters? A. 100. B. 10,000. C. 1,000. D. 1,000. In its simplest form, express 0.125 as a fraction. A. 1/8. B. 1/30. C. 1/10. D. 1/15. In its simplest form, express 35% as a fraction. A. 7/20. B. 5/10. C. 1/2. D. 5/10. How do you represent 740 as a percentage? A. 17.5%. B. 20%. C. 17%. D. 22%. Convert the following military hours to civilian hours, 2030. A. 2:30 p.m. B. 9:30 a.m. C. 8:30 p.m. D. 10:30 a.m. How many centimeters is 1 foot? A. 30.48 centimeters. B. 27 centimeters. C. 35 centimeters. D. 15 centimeters. In a military hospital, a nurse's shift runs from 1400 to 2100. When does the nurse start and finish her shift? A. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. B. 3 a.m. to 8 p.m. C. 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. D. 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. In grams, how would 350 milligrams be expressed? A. 0.350. B. 0.35. C. 3.50. D. 0.035. The active component in a pill is 0.45 milligrams. What fraction would this decimal be expressed as? Make sure you write it in the simplest form. A. 920. B. 47. C. 710. D. 815. How many pounds are 10 kilograms? A. 45 pounds. B. 150 pounds. C. 22 pounds. D. 2.5 pounds. According to the instructions, you must dilute a powder in 3 quarts of water. You only have a container with a liter marking on it. To dilute the powder, how many liters would you use? A. 2.88 liters. B. 6.75 liters. C. 100 liters. A shoe company sends out 7 trucks loaded with nursing shoes that cost the company $1,572 per truck. If they send out 750 boxes per truck, what would be the profit if the cost per box is $125.40? A. 79,490.40. B. 614,400.00. C. 646,170.00. What is the length of a kilometer in meters? A. 1,000. B. 20. C. 100. D. 15. Two-thirds of an ounce of liquid is contained in a sample. What is the volume in milliliters? A. 5 milliliters. B. 25 milliliters. C. 35 milliliters. D. 20 milliliters. Convert 5/8 to a decimal. A. 0.0625. B. 6.25. C. 0.625. D. 1.6. Convert 0.65 to a fraction in lowest term. A. 165. B. 2013. C. 1320. D. 65/100. A hospital gives birth to 1,820 infants per year. How many females were born in a year if 55% of the babies born were boys? A. 1,000. B. 650. C. 1,300. D. 819. In a kilogram, how many grams are there? A. 1,000 grams. B. 20 grams. C. 10 grams. D. 200 grams. Convert 0.60 to ratio in simplest form. A. 250. B. 2:6. C. 1:6. D. 3:5. The average speed of a high-velocity train is 200 km per hour. The distance between Paris and Naples is 7,346 kilometers. How long will the trip take? A. 38 hours. B. 36.73 hours. C. 37 hours. How many grams in 450 milligrams? A. 45 grams. B. 0.45 grams. C. 4.5 grams. D. 450 grams. Which of the following elements does not appear on the periodic table? A. Chlorine. B. Bromine. C. Phosphorus. D. Magnesium oxide. Convert 35 to a decimal. A. 0.06. B. 1.6. C. 0.6. D. 3.50. What is the molarity of an aqueous solution containing 0.40 moles of sugar in 5 liters of water? A. 0.04 m. B. 8.0 m. C. 0.08 m. D. 400.0 m. What do you call substances that cannot be broken down into simpler forms of matter? A. Electron. B. Nuclei. C. Molecules. D. Elements. An atom having an electrical charge is referred to as A. Ion. B. Molecule. C. Solid. D. Electron. Which of the following does not represent a state of matter? A. Lattice. B. Liquid. C. Gas. D. Solid. What is the definition of freezing point? A. Point at which a gas turns to a liquid. B. Point at which a gas turns to a solid. C. Point at which a liquid turns to a solid. D. Point at which a liquid turns to a gas. Citric acid is found in lemon juice. Which of the following pH levels is most likely for lemon juice? A. 7. B. 2. C. 9. D. 15. In degrees Celsius, a typical human body temperature is A. 37 degrees. B. 33 degrees. C. 38 degrees. D. 35 degrees. Which of the following causes cramps during strenuous exercise? A. Lactate. B. protein. C. Pyruvate. D. Glucose. What is the usage of scientific notation? A. The plan is to make it easier to deal with both tiny and large quantities. B. The plan is to make it easier to deal with fewer numbers. C. The plan is to make it easier to deal with larger numbers. D. There is no point. What does COO mean? A. Carbonyl group. B. Amino group. C. Carboxyl group. D. Hydroxyl group. What is the sodium charge in the compound NaCl? A. 0. B. 3. C. 1. D. +1. What is the number of monosaccharides in an oligosaccharide? A. 10 or more. B. 3 to 6. C. 2 or 3. D. 1. If a specific reversible process reached equilibrium, what would happen if more reactants were added? A. The equilibrium would change in favor of the formation of additional products. B. The reaction would heat up. C. The equilibrium position would move, resulting in the formation of more reactants. Which of the following states of matter has a definite volume? A. Liquid and solid. B. Gas and liquid. C. Gas, liquid, and volume. D. Gas and solid. What is the atomic number of an unknown element with 45 protons and an atomic mass of 64? A. 64. B. 45. C. 22. D. Cannot be determined. Unstable nuclei, given enough time, will A. Evolve. B. Decay into a stable form. C. Degrade into a further unstable form. D. None of the above. Dihydrogen monoxide is better known as what? A. Hydrogen peroxide. B. Iodine. C. Water. D. Table salt. Which of the following is true of gas particles? A. They are generally stationary. B. They exert little to no force on one another. C. The distance separating particles is small. D. They do not have mass. Viscosity increases in what circumstance? A. When carbon is introduced. B. None, viscosity is constant. C. Temperature decrease. D. Temperature increase. Which of the following would produce hydrogen ions in an aqueous solution and would turn a litmus test from blue to red? A. Vinegar. B. Ammonia. C. Lye. D. Detergent. Reactions that absorb heat are called what? A. Exothermic. B. Combustion. C. Endothermic. D. Thermal. What is the most abundant element in Earth's crust? A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon. D. Nitrogen. All of the following factors influence the pace of a chemical reaction except A. Presence of catalysts. B. Surface area. C. Amount of mass lost. D. Temperature.